Looking for the best knife sharpeners to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Chef's Choice 1520. If you take pride in keeping your kitchen knives razor sharp, the Chef's Choice 1520 Professional Electric Knife Sharpener is a must-have. Designed with angle select technology, it lets you apply a traditional 20-degree edge for Western knives or a finer 15-degree edge for precision slicing. The secret lies in its 100% diamond abrasives, which sharpen and hone your blades without heat damage. Plus, its dies-engineered system creates a long-lasting, arch-shaped edge that holds up to regular use. Whether you're sharpening straight-edged or serrated knives, this 3-stage sharpener delivers professional results. What makes this sharpener stand out is its precision angle guides, which eliminate guesswork and ensure accurate sharpening from tip to heel. Unlike manual sharpeners that require steady hands, this electric model does the work for you, restoring your knives to factory-level sharpness in minutes. If you frequently work with high-quality knives, investing in the Chef's Choice 1520 is a smart decision. It's reliable, efficient, and perfect for home chefs and professionals. Number 2. Tumbler, the original rolling. For those who appreciate an innovative yet straightforward sharpening tool, the original Tumbler rolling knife sharpener is a game-changer. Unlike electric models, this manual sharpener features a rolling sharpening disc coated in diamond abrasives, one of the hardest materials on earth. The D35 grit effortlessly restores a dull edge, while the stainless steel helix disc removes burrs for a polished, razor-sharp finish. Whether you're working with 15-degree or 20-degree blades, this sharpener gets the job done quickly and effectively. What sets this sharpener apart is its magnetic knife holder, which secures your blade in place as you roll the disc back and forth. This ensures a consistent edge, reducing the risk of uneven sharpening. It's a low-maintenance, high-performance tool that's perfect for home cooks and professionals who want a reliable and durable sharpener. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use, and highly effective knife sharpener, the Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener is a fantastic choice. Number 3. WorkSharp Electric Culinary E2. If you want precision sharpening at the push of a button, the WorkSharp Electric Culinary E2 is a must-have. Designed for effortless use, this fully guided sharpener automates the process, ensuring an even and perfectly honed edge every time. Using premium abrasives, it sharpens dull knives with ease, while the built-in ceramic hone will help maintain a sharp edge daily. Whether you're sharpening chef's knives, serrated blades, scissors, or shears, the E2 handles it all with professional-grade performance. What makes this sharpener even more appealing is its 3-year warranty and quality craftsmanship, designed and engineered in Oregon. Unlike many sharpeners that require skill and patience, this automated system ensures precision with minimal effort. If you value convenience and efficiency in your kitchen, the WorkSharp E2 is a fantastic investment. It's perfect for busy home cooks and professionals who want sharp knives without the hassle of manual sharpening. Number 4. Zwilling JA. Henckels 4-stage pull-through. For a quick and safe sharpening solution, the Zwilling JA Henckels 4-stage pull-through knife sharpener is a fantastic option. This compact yet powerful tool restores your blades in seconds, thanks to its 4-stage system that works for both Western and Asian-style knives. The coarse stage efficiently reshapes dull edges, while the fine stage polishes them to razor-sharp perfection. Designed for ease of use, it requires zero skill. Just pull your knife through, and let the sharpener do the work. Safety is a priority with this model, featuring a comfortable handle that protects your fingers and a non-slip base for extra stability. Whether you're an experienced chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this sharpener ensures a consistent, sharp edge without any guesswork. Plus, it's incredibly low maintenance. Just wipe it clean after use. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use knife sharpener, the Zwilling JA Henckels 4-stage sharpener is a great pick. Number 5. Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener. The Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener is an all-in-one sharpening solution designed to keep your blades in top shape. With 4 sharpening stages, it works on stainless steel, hard steel, kitchen knives, pocket knives, and even scissors. The non-slip base provides excellent stability, and to make sharpening even safer, it comes with a cut-resistant glove, a thoughtful addition that sets it apart from other sharpeners. Whether you need a quick touch-up or a full restoration, this sharpener makes the process effortless. Beyond performance, the Longzon knife sharpener is designed with convenience in mind. Its sleek, space-saving design blends seamlessly into any kitchen while ensuring easy storage. The intuitive pull-through mechanism makes sharpening simple and foolproof. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, efficient, and safe way to maintain your knives, the Longzon 4-in-1 knife sharpener is a top contender. It's perfect for home cooks who want a hassle-free way to keep their blades razor-sharp.